Assalamu alaikum and good day everyone. My name is Abdullah Umar Salim Basaleh from the Faculty of Computing. Today I'm going to present my reflection about industrial training. So for each student in the Faculty of Computing is required to do an industrial training for 1 semester in order to graduate. And this training gives you the chance to get the real experience and to develop your skills in the real world. So to begin with, the purpose of the industrial training. The purpose of the industrial training is to gain, as we said, practical exposure and hands-on experience in a professional environment. Also to develop industrial relevant skills and bridge the gap. For the application of theoretical knowledge in a real-world setting, such as implementing front-end and back-end development, use database management, apply problem solving, and also a bit of networking as well. The overview of the responsibilities and tasks undertaken for my place is to design and develop a company system, also work on the back-end environment, and also problem solving for the devices, whether it's software or hardware. For the company that I have working is Southern Republic Services, which is a company specialized in logistics and IT as well. The company headquarters is in Johor Bahru, specifically in Iskandar Butri. So the mission of the company is to seek for the customers and make long relationship with them. The project overview. The project was about development and of technical solutions and support systems, where we get the experience to develop a few systems and also to fix a few problems during this period. The main responsibilities was system integrations and system troubleshooting, also project collaboration. The main objectives was optimizing technical services delivery and also provide scalable and efficient solutions for the customers. The key features of the training were comprehensive system integrations, where we successfully integrated existing hardware and software systems. Also technical troubleshooting and maintenance for the hardware and software, as I mentioned. Also practical web development tasks, where we worked in a few tasks that helped to develop the whole system. Also project management and collaboration, where we collaborate with my teammates to participate in project development and also gain insight into meeting client requirements. The technical stacks were used during developing these projects were the front end, where we used HTML, CSS, JavaScript language in the Visual Studio environment. Also for the backend we used PHP, and also of course we used Blask for the server hosting. Also we developed this in Visual Studio environment. For the database we have used Firebase and also Blask servers, which give a real-time database and also give the authentications with the hostings. For the design tools, we have used Figma and PowerPoint, mostly PowerPoint. The challenges and solutions faced during the industrial training. First was the adapting to new tools. When I first joined the company, I wasn't familiar with the tools they use in order to develop their systems. Also the troubleshooting issues, where I had to search manually by myself into YouTube's and other websites to know how to fix the parts, the hardware parts, also how to handle the softwares. Also the third challenge was the time constraints or the time management, where the tasks were a lot for me comparing to what I was getting in the university. The time was a huge deal for me, especially when the time of the next task starts while I'm not done with the first one. Alhamdulillah, I overcome all these problems by time and also getting familiar with the tools and everything. The achievements I have got: first, they contributed to the back-end system, where I am originally studying network and security information. However, in this company, I was responsible for software development. I gained a lot of information in back-end and front-end, also for the database. I learned how to interact and optimize the web functionalities for seamless operations. Also gained hands-on experience with the tools, and also successfully resolved complex hardware and software issues. One of these issues was the BIOS of the PC. The PC wasn't working properly, or it didn't work at all. And after a huge search, I found out that the BIOS need to be reset in order for the PC to start. So I have done that. Also deploy and manage the live technical solutions using Blask and cPanel, ensuring smooth delivery and efficiency as well. For the conclusion of industrial training, Alhamdulillah, I have gained hand-on experience in full stack software development, where I can work in anywhere as a software development, whether back-end, front-end, or database. Also, I have strength problem solving, team working, and communications skills in the professional setting. In the beginning, I wasn't good at communication, especially in formal way, where the companies are mostly talking informal. After I get adapted with the company, Alhamdulillah, I have gained this skill. For future recommendation and improvement, I think better resources access for system enhancement will be much better. The resources were a little bit tight, but we overcome that. Also conduct regular skill development session, where there is workshop or conference we can visit and gain new information, new technologies in the market as well. I think it's necessary. Also the enhanced documentation practices, where I think most of the students, they work either technician or software development, but they don't handle the documentation, which is really important for the worker to understand and to read as well. Here we have reached to the end. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you liked the video. Thank you so much.